folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the products from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Hi, Ganesh here, and in the next few minutes, please listen to me carefully. So would you like to tap into red hot $285 billion industry right now and create a monthly recurring passive income without depending on any marketing gurus or various do-it-yourself technique? If that caught your interest, then I've great news for you today. Presenting CookMate AI. Instant access of world's first AI and cloud-based software creates self-updating food and recipe websites loaded with 1,000 plus multiple niche food recipes, 20 plus cuisine categories in just 45 seconds. Start your own food selling and recipe creation website in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in to members area. Step 2. Enter your site name. Step 3. AI will automatically generate awesome good-looking fully automated food site loaded with 1,000 plus multiple niche food recipes, 20 plus categories in just 45 seconds. Sell your own food products and recipes too. Here are some of its amazing features. Build unlimited fully automated food recipe affiliate sites. Tap into red-hot $285 billion food industry right now. Loaded with 1,000 plus recipes with 20 plus categories to sell right away. Free domain. Blazing fast hosting included. Inbuilt SEO and ads placement feature. 100% AI-based and cloud-based platform. Pay once and get profit forever without any restrictions. Inbuilt. Add your own recipe feature. Upload your own food products and sell them to hungry customers. Add your own unlimited food products and recipes. Commercial license included. No limitations. Completely free. No special skills or experience required. Step-by-step training. And much more. And we're not alone. Over 150 top agency owners, marketers and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with CookMate AI. Till now, CookMate AI has built 9,200 plus affiliate recipe sites platform without any hassle. It's huge, And now it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your conversion and profit at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, to check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.